guys, today we are going to discuss questions based on general awareness. Which of the following organizations was established outside India? A. Indian Association. B. East India Association. C. Bengal British India Society. D. India League. Answer is B. East India Association. Expanded form of the term LIBOR is A. London Interbank Offered Rate. B. Interbank Operational Rate. C. London Interbank Offsite Rate. D. London Interbank On-Site Rate. Answer is A. London Interbank Offered Rate. K9 Journal, which was recently released, is associated with which field? A. Pandemic. B. Robotics. C. Medicine. D. Policing. Answer is D. Policing. An archaeological site named Pompeii is located in which country? A. Germany. B. Italy. C. France. D. Greece. Answer is B. Italy. Tobal multipurpose project has been inaugurated in which Indian state? A. Bihar. B. Manipur. C. Assam. D. Mizoram. Answer is B. Manipur. Which Indian organization is developing green propulsion technology that was seen in the news recently? A. ISRO. B. BARC. C. DRDO. D. OFB. Answer is A. ISRO. Which country is set to join as the sixth member of the Five Eyes Intelligence Network? A. China. B. Brazil. C. India. D. Japan. Answer is D. Japan. Which country's new rules on drones permit them to fly over people and at night in the country? A. South Korea. B. Russia. C. United States. D. China. Answer is C. United States. Which Indian Maharashtra company has been the title sponsor of Hockey India League since 2016? A. Gas Authority of India. B. National Thermal Power Corporation. C. Coal India Limited. D. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Answer is C. Coal India Limited. Vistara Airline is a joint venture between Tata Sons and which international airlines? A. Lufthansa. B. Malaysian Airlines. C. British Airways. D. Singapore Airlines. Answer is D. Singapore Airlines. The Kochi Muziris Biennale held in Kochi, Kerala is an exhibition of which of the following? A. Kerala martial art of Kalariyapayattu. B. Old Malayalam movies. C. Kathakali dance. D. Contemporary art. Answer is D. Contemporary art. World's highest railway bridge will be constructed on which river? A. Ganga. B. Chenab. C. Yamuna. D. Kaveri. Answer is B. Chenab. Which is the coldest of all the planets? A. Jupiter. B. Uranus. C. Neptune. D. Pluto. Answer is C. Neptune. Smallest of all the continents. A. Asia. B. Australia. C. Africa. D. America. Answer is B. Australia. India's first and longest sea ropeway will be built between which places? As announced on 24th April 2017. A. Mumbai and Elephanta Island. B. Vizag and Andaman. C. Goa and Andaman. D. None. Answer is A. Mumbai and Elephanta Island. Which is the largest mountain range? A. Aravalli. B. Andes. C. Great Dividing Range. D. Cascade. Answer is B. Andes. India's longest bridge, Dhola Sadiya Bridge, has built over which tributary of the Brahmaputra River? A. Caming River. B. Lohit River. C. Subanshri River. D. Manas River. Answer is B. Lohit River. World's largest floating solar farm launched in A. Japan, B. China, C. Russia, D. France. Answer is B. China. Which is the world's highest bridge standing 1850 feet above a George Opens? A. Sidhu Bridge, B. Milau Viaduct, C. Beipanjiang Bridge, D. Puli Bridge. Answer is C. Beipanjiang Bridge. When is the longest day observed? A. December 22, B. June 21, C. August 21, D. September 22. Answer is B. June 21. The construction of world's largest optical telescope has started in which country? A. China, B. Russia, C. Chile, D. India. Answer is C. Chile. Where is the longest railway bridge located? A. America, B. Africa, C. Europe, D. Malaysia. Answer is B. Africa. India's longest cable bridge inaugurated by PM Modi in which state? A. Assam, B. Telangana, C. Gujarat, D. Karnataka. Answer is C. Gujarat. The largest flag of India measuring blank feet was inaugurated on March 5, 2017 on the tallest flag post at the Indo-Pak Atari border in Amritsar. A. 360 feet, B. 280 feet, C. 300 feet, D. 310 feet. Answer is A. 360 feet. What is the largest desert? A. Sahara, B. Thar, C. Kalahari, D. None. Answer is A. Sahara. World's longest 3D printed concrete bridge opened in A. China, B. Japan, C. Dubai, D. India. Answer is A. China. Which is the longest railway platform in the world? A. Mumbai, B. Gorakhpur, C. Thane, D. Kochi. Answer is B. Gorakhpur. The country with longest coastline in the world is A. Canada, B. Norway, C. Russia, D. Greenland. Answer is A. Canada. Which of the following is the highest altitude zoo in the world? A. Cheyenne Mountain Zoo, B. Pandit G.B. Pant High Altitude Zoo, C. Himalayan Zoological Park, Gangtok, D. Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. Answer is D. Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. Who is the English physicist responsible for Big Bang Theory? A. Albert Einstein, B. Michel Scobie, C. George Gamow, D. Roger Penrose. Answer is C. George Gamow. Who had an explosive idea and first patented dynamite? A. J. R. Glueber, B. A. Nobel, C. G. Fox, D. W. Pickford. Answer is B. A. Nobel. The most important feature of the Indian Parliament is that A. It is the union legislature in India. B. It also comprises of the President. C. It is bicameral in nature. D. The upper house of the Parliament is never dissolved. Answer is B. It also comprises of the President. The first hand glider was designed by A. Leonardo da Vinci, B. The Wright brothers, C. Francis Rogallo, D. Galileo. Answer is A. Leonardo da Vinci. In the 1700s, who would pay the postage fee for letters before the stamp was invented? A. The sender, B. There was no fee, C. The receiver of the letter, D. The post office. Answer is C. The receiver of the letter. Cinematography was invented by A. Graham Bell, B. Edison, C. Zeiss, D. Faraday. Answer is B. Edison. In which decade was the internet first implemented? A. 1940s, B. 1960s, C. 1970s, D. 1980s. Answer is B. 1960s. Simpson and Harrison are associated with the invention of A. Boson, B. Chloroform, C. Balloon, D. None of these. Answer is B. Chloroform. What plaything was invented by Joe McVicker in 1956? A. Silly putty, B. Etch a sketch, C. Light bright, D. Play Doh. Answer is D. Play Doh. What invention caused many deaths while testing it? A. Dynamite, B. Ladders, C. Race cars, D. Parachute. Answer is D. Parachute. Which insurance salesman invented the fountain pen in 1884? A. Louis Edson Waterman, B. Sir William Grove, C. Charles Kettering, D. George Fountain. Answer is A. Louis Edson Waterman. Frederick Sanger is a twice recipient of the Nobel Prize for A. Chemistry in 1958 and 1980, B. Physics in 1956 and 1972, C. Chemistry in 1954 and Peace in 1962, D. Physics in 1903 and Chemistry in 1911. Answer is A. Chemistry in 1958 and 1980. Which is the first Indian company to be listed on NASDAQ? A. Reliance, B. TCS, C. HCL, D. Infosys. Answer is D. Infosys. As per a UNESCO report released in October 2013, how many internal migrants are there in India? A. 200 million, B. 400 million, C. 600 million, D. 750 million. Answer is D. 750 million. India has launched Mahatma Gandhi Pravasi Suraksha Yojana scheme in which of the following countries? A. US, B. UAE, C. Bhutan, D. Bangladesh. Answer is B. UAE. Africa is separated from Europe by A. Red Sea, B. Mediterranean Sea, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. Persian Gulf. Answer is B. Mediterranean Sea. Asia's biggest milk brand, Amul, has recently announced to set up a dairy processing plant with the investment of 200 crore rupees in which of the following cities? A. Varanasi, B. Kanpur, C. Lucknow, D. All of above. Answer is D. All of above. A 16th century Indian jurist has stated that land is the property of its owner and kings have only the right to tax it. His name? A. Yajnavalkya, B. Neelkantha, B. Neelkant, C. Hemadari, D. Vigneshwara. Answer is B. Neelkant. What is the share of small savings collection from all states through post office in India's GDP? A. 2%, B. 3%, C. 7%, D. 8%. Answer is B. 3%. Which one of the following has recently conferred the honorary degree of Doctor of Letters on UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon? A. Jamia Millia Islamia University, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri Sanskrit University, C. GGS Indraprastha University, D. IIT Delhi. Answer is A. Jamia Millia Islamia University. The vitamin that helps in blood clotting is A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin E. D. Vitamin K. Answer is D. Vitamin K. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends.